Hey, what's going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips, and in today's video we are going to be taking a look at Linux Mint, and this is going to be the first episode to the new series I have created where we just take a look at Linux distros. Now, I doubt we're ever going to get to like every single Linux distro out there, because I'm pretty sure half of them you have to install them using a command line, and I don't know how to do that. So if I ever figure out how to do that, then we'll go from there. But we're going to be installing Linux Mint in the first episode. So we're going to go ahead and create the virtual machine. Probably just typical. I'm going to choose the ISO file, which it is on my desktop. Cannot detect system operating system. That's fine. It's because you don't know what you're doing. Now we're going to power on this virtual machine. Gonna zoom in. Look at that. Start Linux Mint. Yeah, I know how to do this. You don't need to keep telling me. Ah, go away. Well, this is Linux Mint. This is a Cinnamon edition, by the way. There's Mate edition, and then there's XFCE edition. We're going to be installing both of those. Not in this video, but in separate videos. This is going to be episode 1. And I'm only starting with Linux Mint because, I don't know, I'm just starting with Linux Mint for whatever reason. So we're just going to do erase disk and install Linux Mint. Sergeant Tech Tips. This is going to be Linux Mint PC. Choose a password, root. Log in automatically. And now it's going to copy the files. Alrighty guys, the installation is complete as it says right there. I'm just going to go ahead and click restart now. Wow, welcome to Linux Mint. Welcome to your new operating system. This welcome screen will guide you through your first steps, show you how to find help and where to get more information about Linux Mint. On behalf of the development team and everyone involved in this project, we'd like to thank you for choosing Linux Mint. We hope you'll enjoy it as much as we enjoy working on it. Have a great time and don't hesitate to send us your feedback. Look at that. Look how nice they are. So this gives you like first steps and stuff. It'll actually be interesting to see when we go through different versions of Linux to see if there's a lot of welcome screens like this. Because I know not every version of Linux has it. I'm pretty sure Ubuntu does, but I don't remember specifically. But this just tells you like all the stuff you can do. You can launch. You can also just go down here and launch it. But you get like the update manager, the driver manager. This is all the documentation. You get help. I don't know what the chat room is. Contribute. You can contribute to them if you want to help them out. Now what I usually do when I'm done is I uncheck that because I don't need this every time. If you want to leave it on, you can. Down here you have your clock, your sound changer thing. I don't know the technical term for that, I guess. I should, but I don't. Your internet connection. Now, if you have wireless, it should pop up, and it should pop up with the network, so you can just click on the network. It'll allow you to enter the password. This is the update manager, so this will allow you to look up for updates and then update Linux. You can actually switch to a local mirror, which is what I did on that laptop. If you click yes, it'll allow you to type in the password. Now, you can just click on this, and then you can choose one. And what it does is it actually finds the closest and fastest speed available for a mirror where it's going to download updates. Wow, that's a lot faster than on the laptop. That's depressing. This one, probably that one. Just click OK. Now what it's going to do is it's going to update the cache, and then you have all this cool information. This is system reports. Install the language pack, so you can do that. You can install multimedia codec. There's a system restore, kind of like restore point on Windows. It's all your system information, so it's going to give you the system, kernel, machine. Obviously, it's in a virtual machine. It would say something like your model of the computer, especially if you have this on an older laptop. And then you can send crash reports if you want. And yeah, a lot of Linux distributions will already have Mozilla Firefox pre-installed. I would install Chrome, but that's just because I've used Chrome. But Mozilla Firefox is actually really snappy on Linux, so you definitely can use that. But that is the browser. Now we're going to go ahead and look over the operating system to see what differences there are in other flavors, distributions, and all that fun stuff. So if we go to all application, we'll just look in accessories. We got archive manager, calculator. Oh, look at that. 4 plus 4 equals 8. What else we got? Disks. I think this will tell you all your hard drive information. Yep. Obviously you can see 54 gigs. I only gave it 50, but you know what they say. You can actually unmount that. I can't unmount that. All right, what else do we have? Document viewer. I'm not going to go through every software, but I do want to see like the variations of software so we can kind of look back at older videos when we're looking at a different distro to see how different it actually is. Got the Notes app. This is a note. Yeah, that's a note. That's going to go over here. You got passwords and keys. You got screenshot. So it looks like you can take a screenshot, grab the whole screen. Boom. Look at that. What do we got? USB image writer. Oh yeah, so you can actually make, so if you go to say you want to make a Linux Ubuntu flash drive, or a bootable flash drive, you can actually use another distribution of Linux, most of them, to my knowledge, to make that bootable flash drive. All you got to do is go to USB image writer, choose the ISO image, so say it's in your downloads, you click that, then you choose a flash drive, and then you can do that. Probably not through a virtual machine, but if you have like a old laptop, you can install Linux on it and use it to make more Linux distros. You got text editor. Okay, so it's kind of like just Notepad in Windows. What else do we got? I think that's it in here. What the hell is Warpinator? Send and receive files across the network. Okay, so it's sort of like, I think this is more like FileZilla, so you can like send and receive files across the network. That's actually really cool. I don't know if it's across like the whole entire internet or if it's just across your internet. We got drawing. We can draw. Would you like to read what's new? No. Yeah, that didn't work. Yeah. Thunderbird Mail. I'm not opening that. Web apps. Run websites as if they were apps. Oh, okay, that's cool. You got Office, and yeah, Linux. I'm not sure if all distributions do, but the majority of Linux distros will actually come with LibreOffice, and LibreOffice is actually not a bad word processor. I personally use Microsoft Word because I just always have, but like you have Writer document, Calc, so what would that be, like Excel, I think, and then presentation would be PowerPoint. Draw, I'm not sure what that would equal out to. Yeah, this software it's a really good software. It's got a bunch of different stuff you can use. You can watch TV on this. Free TV. What? Linux has a free.
Teagi, mis saab.
What the
aga
hell?
vähemasti kõrel on lootust praegu.
Millega?
That's not okay. I didn't know you could do that. Let's go to the US and see what there is. USA.
Праздник у себя и во всех сценах.
Still not in English.
I'm sure there are many other things he's anxious.
I used to watch the show when I was little. CNN, the world ending.
Julia, like the way that.
Since when could you watch free TV through Linux? That's fucking. Sorry, I swore. Holy shit. Oh fuck. Oh Jesus Christ. Install multimedia codecs. Okay, then you got Rhythmabox, which is basically Windows Media Player. Administration, you got backup tool, login window, software manager, system monitor. What does that look like? Oh, okay, so it's basically task manager. You got terminal, which everyone should know what the terminal is. You got update manager, users and groups, accessibility, account details, color management setting, date and time. What the hell is a desklet? Digital photo frame. Oh, okay, so they're widgets. Can I just... Oh, look at that! Gives you your CPU usage, your memory usage, your download, your upload speed. That is different. Okay. Well, yeah, that's Linux Mint for you guys. Keep an eye out for some future videos though, because this video probably won't be uploaded till like next week, because I have a bunch of video ideas I gotta do and get them all set up. But if you guys would like to see me look at a Linux distribution that you like, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be sure to do that. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Definitely like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, or just let me know what you thought in the comments below. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.